Good morning. A fine day for a walk.
Indeed it is, young man. Come, sit a while.
I'd love to, but I must run this errand first.
Of course. Take care on your way.
Smells delicious.
It's your favorite, dear.
I've missed this.
Me too. These moments are precious.
They are.
Here you go, my lovelies. That's it, come and get it. Good chickens. One more handful for you.
It's been so long since we walked this path together.
It has, my dear. The village looks just as lovely.
It really does. I'm so glad we came back.
Me too.
Hello! What a wonderful day in the garden. Look at all these fresh vegetables I gathered. I can't wait to share them with everyone.
These fresh zucchini will be perfect for the stew. A little bit of red pepper for color and sweetness. The aroma is already filling the kitchen. Almost ready.
Good morning. I've brought some fresh vegetables for you.
Oh, bless you. They look wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a lovely day.
You too, dear. Safe travels.
This bread smells wonderful.
It was baked fresh this morning.
Can I help arrange the tomatoes?
Of course, sweetie. We're making a lovely meal together.
Yay! This is the best meal ever! I'm so glad you're enjoying it, sweetie.
You picked the best bread.
He certainly has good taste.
Can we have this every day? We'll see. This nail is going in now, Grandma.
You're doing a fine job, dear.
Thanks. Almost done with this section.
It looks wonderful. You've made it so sturdy.
Happy to help. Grandma, that looks beautiful.
Thank you, dear. It's for you.
You're too kind. Have some tea.
Oh, thank you.
Look how high it is! Wow, it's going so fast! This is the best day ever!
Let's make it go higher!
Okay, here we go!
What a beautiful day! Look at all the butterflies! I feel so happy! This is magical!
Grandma, it's so nice out. Let's walk a bit.
I'd love that, dear. The fresh air is good for us.
I love our walks. They always make me feel better.
Me too. They're precious.
Something smells yummy.
Good morning, sleepyhead. Come have some breakfast.
Okay, what is it?
Your favorite oatmeal. Here you go.
Yay!
Grandma, this field is beautiful.
It is. The golden light is perfect.
Let's walk through it together.
Yes, dear. I'd love that. This soup is coming along nicely. Just a little more stirring. Ah, perfect. Just needs a touch more time.